Okay guys, so today is a special day because I'm gonna surprise my husband and I'm looking for him outside. We're going away for his birthday, so look at him, he's playing outside. Hey!
Hey, what you doing? Why are you filming?
We have a surprise for you.
What surprise?
That your birthday is coming up.
Yes, I know. It's my birthday. I do know.
Okay, so let's pack. We're going away.
No, you're joking.
Maybe we're going away for your birthday.
No.
Seriously.
No.
You didn't see in the living room I had some stuff packed already?
Yeah, I thought that was... Oh, for real? We're going somewhere? Oh, let's go! Let's go!
Hey, birthday boy.
Huh?
How is it going?
What? I'm eating. I'm eating some sausage.
San Juan, el vuelo de Spirit. Vamos a estar abordando en unos
Looks tasty. Gonna have some?
No.
Why not?
Go get yours.
We outside like you
Hey, little baby.
Hello, birthday boy.
Hey, what's up, fam? Some of y'all know it's the boy birthday, you know. Oh yeah. We out here and where we at?
San Juan, Puerto Rico.
We're in San Juan.
I
Yeah.
didn't I'm not your baby.
No, you're not baby.
You're mine.
You're mine. No,
You're
I'm
mine.
not yours. You're mine.
No, you're mine.
You're mine.
No, you're
You're
mine.
mine. Never mind.
So today's a big day because it's my baby's birthday. You don't know.
It's my birthday today?
Yes.
Oh wow.
Somebody's enjoying it so far.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we arrived since last night, but
Yeah, we didn't do anything because
we
we
just enjoyed the
arrived kind of like what time it was?
7 p.m.
Yeah, it was 7 p.m. and I was so hungry, so
We went to eat. Now we're going to do some sightseeing.
yeah, we're gonna be
We're gonna be tourists.
tourists.
Yeah, because we're gonna
So
We're gonna
for
walk to
for how
the-
long we gonna be working?
maybe an hour today.
An hour?
Yeah, because we want to walk to go to.
Whoa,
From our
hold
hotel.
on.
Yeah, we're gonna walk from here, from our hotel to the old San Juan.
No, listen, guys, I didn't know nothing about that. She told me we're gonna be like visiting some stuff like for about like 15-20 minutes. I didn't know about 1 hour.
Let's stand up. Let's stand up. I'm gonna show you
Show me what?
where we're going. Baby. Let's go.
Oh Lord.
Oh, let's go.
Listen, she just told me about that we're going to be walking for about an hour.
Yeah.
But I'm excited. Yes, so it's gonna be fun. We're gonna be here for 2 weeks, 3 weeks,
Yeah.
7 weeks. Oh my God.
It's too hot. It's too
She
hot.
said it's my birthday, but she's making me work right now.
Making me sweat.
I'm sweating. Oh man.
Look at the
Oh.
view. Show them the view.
Oh yeah, that's the view. It's beautiful. That reminds me of Haiti. Unfortunately, with politics, I can't go there, but
With gangs.
yeah, but I miss my beautiful
I've never been there.
Haiti. You never been to Haiti? I'm gonna take you one day. Hopefully one day these guys gonna let this country run. You sure you wanna come back?
Oh yeah.
Oh man, why? Why you wanna come back?
Because I love the scenery. I love the architecture. That's my thing, yeah.
Okay, so can you explain why are you sweating right now?
Oh, because it's hot.
Oh yeah, it is. Look at my face. Oh yeah, go ahead. Oh yes.
We made it to the top, right?
Yes, we made it. Yeah, you make me work for 45 minutes. No, I want to talk to the people.
Okay.
It's my birthday. I'm supposed to be home chilling, but she take me out, walk for 45 minutes to go to San Cristobal.
San Juan Historical Center.
Yes.
Or site.
Please, I need help. Somebody come get me, please.
No, baby, let's go. We're not done walking. We have
No,
to go.
stop calling me,
Wait.
Call me Julio.
Okay, Julio, let's go.
Yeah.
My name is Juanita, by the way, because I'm in San Juan. You know.
Oh man, can we go home now, please?
No, we're going. Let me see. Come, let me show you.
Yes.
You see the castle over there?
Where? I'm not going over there.
That's where we're going, baby.
Oh,
Let's
no.
go, baby. Let's
back
go.
All right. I'm gonna take an Uber then. Good night.
You want to take a Uber with me?
Yes, I'm so tired.
Are you fresh now?
Okay, I'm feeling a little bit better now, but
Yeah, you're hydrated.
but we have to go up there.
Up there and down there too. But you cannot see it. We're gonna show you guys. Do you have something to say to the camera with you?
Not right
No.
now.
Are you ready for the second spot?
Let's go. I'm ready. Let's
You
go.
ready?
One
Wait,
stop.
wait here. It's dark now. The dry mud. Attacking El Moro. Je vois, c'est ça. Hein? C'est la vue aérienne. Il a été construit en quelle année?
No more energy.
Yeah.
So we are heading to our hotel.
Yes.
I need a cold shower.
I need to take off my Invisalign.
Yeah, because I need some sleep right now.
You need to eat, and we're gonna relax by the pool and the tiki bar.
Yes, I need to enjoy it. Because I'm down right now. I'm so tired.
Yeah, and that's the birthday, so
I want to sleep. I don't know. I'm just.
Yeah.
No, I think I'm just gonna go to sleep. Okay. You can go by yourself.
Yeah, I don't mind. I'm gonna enjoy it.
But what I'm looking for, I don't know if anybody's on. So, but I need some free tie.
But I see.
Yeah, that's a photo you can do with it.
Oh yeah, but not the Asian one.
I'm not Asian anyway. That's why I take mine to one. Hey.
Julio.
Oh, Julio, my bad. So I came to decide basically one of.
Yo soy Juanita, me llamo Juanita y él se llama Julio.
Oh, es muy bonita.
¿Cómo estás today?
Oh, estás bien.
¿Cómo te sientes?
Mucho Spanish.
We're back to the resort.
Yes, we're back.
And we're going to get something to eat now.
Getting to eat now.
Very crazy.
I'm crazy every day, all day, every morning, every night, every afternoon.
Okay, let's eat. Okay, we're eating now. That's mofongo. It's a specialty here in Puerto Rico, and representing for the birthday boy.
I'm supposed to get married today. Baby, let's go.
Thank you.